Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is part 1 of our Ansible mini project series where we will slowly build and automate a mini web stack. In this mini series, we are going to build a complete Ansible project from scratch, step by step. In today's video, I will walk you through the basic project setup, explain the folder structure, and run a quick connectivity test to verify our setup before we move on to actual role execution in the next part. Let's begin by taking a quick look at my EC2 instance. This is my EC2 instance running on Ubuntu. Here you can see the public IP. I'll be using the same IP inside my Ansible inventory file. I have already connected to my EC2 instance using SSH with my private key. You can see I am now logged in as the Ubuntu user on this instance. Here is my Ansible project folder. You can see files like ansible.cfg, inventory.ini, site.yml and a roles directory. This is the base layout we will be using throughout this mini project. Let's check ansible.cfg. This file controls Ansible's default behavior. The inventory line tells Ansible where our hosts are listed. The remote user and private key file define how Ansible connects via SSH. We have also disabled host key checking to avoid prompts and set the roles path. So Ansible knows where to find our custom roles. Let's check inventory.ini. Our inventory defines which servers Ansible will manage. Under the group web, I have defined a single host called MyDemo with its public IP and user Ubuntu. This IP matches the EC2 instance we just connected to. Let's check site.yml. This is the main playbook. It's like the central instruction list. It defines which hosts to target. Here, web. Uses become true for privilege escalation and includes roles, common, Nginx and app. The pre-task section loads variables and sets the time zone. Then the roles section runs our reusable task sets. At the end, there is a post task that creates a backup. We will see that later when we run the app. Let's check the roles folder. Each role has its own folder with tasks, handlers and templates. For example, the common role will install base packages and the app role will deploy our Python web app. This modular design keeps everything clean and reusable. Inside the roles folder, each role has its own directory like common, app and Nginx. Every role follows the same standard structure. Tasks holds the actual automation steps. Handlers are triggered when changes happen. Templates store configuration templates or files. For example, here's the common role. Inside tasks, we have a main YAML file. This is where we will later add tasks to create users and install base packages, which we will run in part 2. Now, let's quickly test if our control node, my local machine, can reach the EC2 instance defined in the inventory. Let me exit this. Let me clear the screen. The ping module checks SSH connectivity. Let's check that. Ansible-i inventory.ini all -m ping. Perfect. We got a Pong response. That means Ansible can connect successfully. So, that was our quick project walkthrough. We have set up the structure, verified our inventory and confirmed connectivity. In the next part, we will start executing our roles and see Ansible in action step by step. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and check out the playlist for all parts of this series. Please note, captions are auto-generated but mostly accurate. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.